When setting up a car audio system, your wiring kit is just as critical as your amp and speakers. SKAR Audio's SKAR4ANL OFC wiring kit looks tempting for the price, especially with its OFC labeling. But before you buy, there are important issues you need to know. Today on Auto and Moto, we're exposing the real problems with the SKAR4ANL OFC kit that many users overlook. First, the true wire gauge is misleading. Although marketed as a 4-gauge kit, some users report that the actual conductive material is thinner than expected. A thick outer jacket gives the appearance of heavy-duty wire, but the real copper core inside may be closer to 6-gauge. This limits current flow and can bottleneck your system's performance. Second, inconsistent copper purity. The SKAR4ANL OFC kit claims to use oxygen-free copper, but there are reports suggesting it's not 100% pure OFC. Some batches appear mixed with cheaper materials, leading to higher resistance, voltage drop, and reduced overall efficiency, exactly what you don't want in a serious audio build. Third, the fuse holder is a weak link. The included ANL fuse holder feels flimsy, and users have reported poor fitment, loose connections, and even melting under high-load conditions. A weak fuse holder not only affects performance, but also creates serious safety risks in your vehicle. Fourth, cable flexibility is poor. The outer jacket is stiff, especially in colder temperatures, making installation harder than it should be. Running the cable through tight spaces or making clean bends becomes a frustrating process, increasing install time and making a professional finish difficult. Fifth, long-term durability is questionable. Over time, cheaper materials can oxidize, degrade, or crack, especially under engine bay heat and vibration. Several users have reported needing to replace sections of wire within a year, which defeats the point of buying an upgrade kit in the first place. In conclusion, while the SKAR Audio SKAR4ANL OFC wiring kit seems affordable upfront, hidden compromises in wire quality, fuse safety, copper purity, and installation difficulty make it a risky investment for any serious car audio setup. Choose your wiring carefully. Your system's reliability depends on it.